Hi everyone, so in this video I am going to demonstrate how you can create departing rule and how you can apply departing rule. So we will be navigating through the departing rule, and there you find sponsored product campaign, sponsored brand campaign and sponsored display campaign list, right? And I want to let you know that departing rule actually works at ad group level. Like if you have a campaign that has 3 ad group 1, ad group 2, ad group 3, then you can apply 3 different ad departing rule to these 3 different ad group. And how exactly departing works? Scale Insight will not pause your campaigns. Instead, Scale Insight will be pausing your ad group and will be enabling your ad group at a specific hour, whatever you have selected. And I want to highlight a special case for sponsored brand campaign. As we know, some sponsored brand campaign do not have ad group. So in this case, Scale Insight will be pausing your campaign and will be enabling your campaign for the departing, right? And creating departing rule is pretty simple. And I want to highlight that departing works at marketplace time zone. So if you are selling in US, so it will be working or following the PST time, or if you are selling in Japan marketplace, then it will be working at GST time zone, right? Just need to click on create rule. We just need to write a name for this rule, so I would be writing phone cover, and here we go. Now we have all the active hours there. You can see all the hours are active. If I turn off this one, so technically I will be pausing my ads on 5 a.m. of the Monday, right? So you can turn off specific hours and specific dates however you like. And I do have a tip for you. If you navigate to this sales dashboard and click on departing trend, it will help you identifying those hours that are really important for you. If you are creating departing rule for your whole account, then you can review the whole account statistics. Or if you are going to create customized departing rule for each product, then you need to select the product. So I am going to select this product, these 4 products for me. As I click on filter, currently I am reviewing last 4 weeks data. So generally I come to know that 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. is really important for me. This is my highest sales hour. You can see I usually get high sales during this time, right? So I would like to run my ad during 5 a.m. to 5 p.m., right? So how would I create this rule? I will be turning off all the hour except 5 a.m. till 5 p.m. like this. So I would be running my ads from 5 a.m. till 5 p.m. As I click on create, the rule will be created, right? And applying is so simple. You can select all the campaigns or you can select a specific campaign to apply the departing rule. I would like to search, so I'm going to search all the low bids campaign. So here we go, I got these 2 campaigns and I'm going to apply this phone cover departing rule there. I just need to select this rule and have selected this campaign. As I click on assign, you can see the new departing rule phone cover is applied to this campaign. And removing is also easy. You just need to select this campaign, have to select none there and have to assign. Departing rule is removed. So you can apply departing rule to all of your campaigns accordingly. Thank you so much.